Apa, yena ubani yena. Yena ubani. Buta no siyambona lo wale nani yena ubani.
Who's
Yena ubani.
here if you are not asiphume lezinto lezi.
Uzenzela umdlalo wase yena ubani.
Nigeria.
Sifuna yena
igama lakho ubani? Ulandela igama.
Lokhu akuphume
Salama boyisa. How are you?
So then where's your passport? Yeah? Where's your passport? Your name you are? Where's your passport? Show me. It's inside. So then go inside and take it.
Wase Nigeria lo senzela umdlalo lo senai. So ngithambo nje passport yakhe lo. Uyana point.
Kuba nomdlalo usebonza ukuthi passport ukuthi ulama ukuyiqinisa. Nawe shisa ndawo nomdlalo ufuna ngoba siya.
Nandaba nemithathu. Sizimithe nzima kakhulu kunalo mthengisile. Ukuthi umthengisela.
Stone mama kusasa sibone sakhona kakhulu
Gogo. Unini uthengise phene isolo ungingaka.
mina ungaka wena
Uthengise phene. Mama usathengisa la.
Ekasibado sebe passport isala kuwe phela nepassport isala kuwe.
La kusasa inabo passport la unemikhukhu.
Uyabona nama
Hey man, unenyoka ndapha.
Come here.
Come.
First. We're waiting for you.
Hawu mama mshemdo ngiyamazi kudala ngiloka busy la. Ngisasomntwana mfana kithi baphuma la. Ngisase ne part code la kusasa amafutithina mkhukhu la. Makakhiwa kahle. Imondo la. Oh yabo mntalo sisatya.
Come here man.
Umntalo man.
Okay. Na passport. Uthi right. That is one uthi valid yini?
Yeah.
Then where's the permit? For your selling. Wait.
Permit ikhona. Unde work permit. Ngalokho ibani ngiyazi. Istempe lesa permit work permit ngiyasazi. Usabani?
Ugcineni ukufika.
Istempe ngiyasazi sabe permit.
Go right before it valid ne. But into kumele yenze you don't have a permit working.
Work permit. Work permit.
Wait. Just on the visa, and then you don't know which one. You don't know which visa. We got 5 visas in South Africa. Business visa, visiting visa, and then what? Yeah, this is a visiting visa. That means it's expiring. Listen. The problem is you don't want to listen to other people. Then, if it's a visiting visa, you don't have a right to sell here. Yeah, call me Dalos. You don't have a right to sell here. Because of then you don't have a working permit, first of all. Where is the working permit? No, where is the working permit? You're not supposed to be here. And you're not supposed to be working here. Because of then you don't have a permit. You're not allowed to be here. You're not complying with the South African immigration laws. So you must go.
Njalo sihlokofetse o mogolo
o monyane o se
o monyane o gona ke yena a tshwantse gore botsa nawe direga nkare ke yena le a dula mo